Police are investigating a series of unusual thefts. Burglars are stealing airbags from people's cars.
Some people waking up today to find their cars on bricks.
Yeah, they were missing their wheels and their tires.
Trucks are now stealing tailgates from the back of pickup trucks.
This is a 2017 Hyundai Elantra. We went ahead and ironically this car had a factory alarm system, so we added the shock sensor to it because they already tried to break in. So basically, yeah, we added the shock sensor protection. I'm gonna go ahead and wait. The factory alarms have a 30-second delay, 20-second delay. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the, in case somebody tries to bust out the lock here or they try to bust out the window, the alarm will fire off. And just a quick second, I'm going to go ahead and bang on the car. Okay. And it protects the whole car from bumper to bumper. He's not worried about the rim theft because he's got these hook caps. So, but he is worried about somebody breaking the window and searching his car for anything that they can find. So that's why we went ahead and added the shock sensor to the factory alarm system. Okay, so I'm gonna bang on the window one more time to show you guys how it fires off, and that's pretty much in this video. This shock sensor was added on here in Miami, Florida by auto alarm specialists. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we thank you for watching this video.